Bruxism is a condition described by the grating or grinding of teeth, and can happen during rest or while conscious. Side effects of bruxism can change contingent upon the seriousness and recurrence of the crushing or grasping. The specific reason for bruxism isn't completely perceived, however it is accepted to be connected to pressure, uneasiness, rest problems, and other fundamental circumstances. At times, bruxism might be a symptom of specific prescriptions or ailments. Bruxism hurt your jaw muscles, teeth, temporomandibular joints, which accomplish your jawbone to your skull and award you to open and close your mouth. A few normal side effects of bruxism include 1. Grinding or grinding of the teeth. This is the essential side effect of bruxism, and may happen during rest or while conscious. Individuals with bruxism might grate their teeth noisily enough to wake an accomplice, or may grind their teeth without acknowledging it. 2. Jaw torment or solidness. The rehashed movement of crushing or gripping can cause distress or agony in the jaw muscles, which might turn out to be firm or sore over the long haul. 3. Headaches. Bruxism can likewise cause cerebral pains, especially in the sanctuaries or brow. These migraines might be gentle or serious, and can disrupt day-to-day exercises. 4. Tooth awareness or harm. After some time, the continued grating or grinding of teeth can cause mileage on the finish, prompting tooth responsiveness, chips, or cracks. This can likewise create issues with the arrangement of the teeth or jaw. 5. Facial torment. Bruxism can cause agony or distress in the face, especially around the cheeks, ears, or sanctuaries. 6. Earaches. The muscles utilized in crushing or holding can likewise influence the ears, causing agony or uneasiness in the ears or ear channel. 7. Sleep aggravations. Bruxism can likewise upset rest, both for the individual with bruxism and their accomplice, because of the commotion of crushing or grasping. 7. Normally medicines. Strategies. Here are a few home cures that can help. 1. Attempt support treatment. Support treatment is the main line of guard against teeth crushing. It includes wearing a modified dental night watch, chomp monitor, or occlusal support. The gatekeeper gives an actual boundary to safeguard teeth and assist with lightening side effects like jaw torment and migraine. You can either buy a conventional one from a pharmacy or, ideally, get one handcrafted by your dental specialist. They will take an impression of your upper and lower teeth to make a mouthguard that accommodates your jaw impeccably. Locally acquired models are not as strong or fitted. 2. Do muscle extending activities. Certain muscle extending practices assist with diminishing the uneasiness connected with tooth crushing and forestall its repeat. The activities include: careful teeth position. Keep a hole between your upper and lower teeth to abstain from crushing or grasping. Take a stab at doing this exercise constantly, with the exception of while biting. Jaw exercise. Open your mouth as wide as possible, and take a stab at contacting your tongue to your front teeth. This exercise will assist with loosening up your jaw muscles. 3. Warm pack. On the off chance that you're unknowingly grinding your teeth, a warm pack can loosen up the muscles and increment blood dissemination nearby. Rest one side of your face on a warming cushion. Apply a warm pack for 15 minutes and afterward rehash on the opposite side. 4. Contemplate and practice yoga. Psychological well-being issues like pressure, nervousness and melancholy are fundamental reasons for bruxism. Stress decrease strategies can assist with working on your general well-being. To think, sit easily and center your brain for quite a while peacefully. Try not to allow your considerations to meander and attempt to discharge your brain. You can likewise rehearse yoga, with pelvic slants. Low thrusts and mountain represent the absolute best postures to oversee pressure. 5. Eat magnesium-rich food. Magnesium supports unwinding and manages mindset. Incorporate magnesium-rich food sources like dry broiled almonds, bubbled spinach, bananas, fish, dark peared toward peas, peanut butter and flaxseed in your eating regimen. These will assist with loosening up muscle tissues and veins and forestall crushing brought about by close or spasming jaw muscles. You can likewise take magnesium supplements, however counseling a specialist or nutritionist first is fitting. 6. Drink turmeric milk. Turmeric has calming properties that guide in alleviating your hurting jaw muscles. Also, the amino-corrosive tryptophan in milk helps your sensory system unwind and advances sound rest. In the event that you could do without the flavor of turmeric milk, add honey for pleasantness and drink a glass every day before sleep time for the ideal outcomes. 7. Drink homegrown tea. Rather than charged refreshments like espresso, you're in an ideal situation consuming non-stimulated other options. Choosing homegrown or chamomile tea is an extraordinary approach to normally decrease your pressure and mitigate the side effects of crushing in rest as it's exasperated by anxious strain. Natural tea loosens up your body and psyche and keeps you quiet. Attempt some warm green tea before bed to decrease the probability of grating or grinding your teeth while resting. To treat and forestall teeth crushing, you want to destroy the basic reason. Assuming that is uneasiness, stress or sorrow, stress the executives works out, a fair eating routine and brace treatment can be useful. On the off chance that it is because of a fundamental ailment like rest apnea, Parkinson's illness, epilepsy, or gastroesophageal reflux problem, you really want to counsel a specialist. Keep in mind, rehearsing unwinding strategies and carrying out the previously mentioned home cures can ease side effects. You can likewise book a meeting with your dental specialist assuming your teeth crushing is brought about by your jaw's shape or construction.